How do I meet with my advisor? Where's the registrar located? When do I have to choose next semester's classes? There's a lot to know and do at Biola, and we know students need an easy way to access these things. Allow me to introduce you to Navigate, your all-in-one guide for success at Biola. Navigate makes it easy to make appointments with your advisors, view important deadlines, find campus resources, receive notifications, and complete tasks to help you succeed. To get started, open Navigate on your phone or computer's web browser and log in with your NetID and password. The first time you log in, you'll be asked a few questions. These responses will help us get to know you and understand your academic and vocational goals. We will then customize your experience in Navigate with personalized recommendations based on your answers. From now on, Navigate will open on the homepage. Here you will find upcoming to-dos and events, appointment scheduling, study buddies, helpful resources, holds, your class schedule, and settings. Using these tools will help you stay on track and succeed at Biola. For details on each tool, check out the next video.